$200 in passive income every single day with copy trading. Today we're going to take a look at how it's done, how everything is set up, and how you can make this amount of money by only copying one single trader. So don't waste time and let's get right into the step-by-step introduction. $206.55. Those are real profits of our community members in the last couple of days. We can see 1.6% from this guy, 1.38% here, 1.47 right here, 1.11, 1.46 and 1.04%. Those are profits on a daily basis. And those two guys right here, trust me guys, they really have a smile on their face every time they check their account. Everything you can see right here is verified trading on RoboForex. We are copy trading one particular trader, and it really is not hard to get started. So what do we need? We need a broker account on RoboForex. We need to verify ourselves through the KYC. We need to open up a trading account for this particular trader, and we also obviously need to deposit a little bit of money. We at least need $120 for this trader, but the trader suggestion is $500 plus. When all this is set up, we can just go to the trader page and start subbing or copying him. For the broker registration, I have my link down below in the description. Obviously, it's very easy to just register an account. Just type in your mail, first name, last name, mobile number, and so on. And if you want to support the channel and have a chance at winning some money back in some monthly raffles, you can also choose to type in the affiliate code RGZF. This would really help out the channel. After all of this is done and you registered your account, you can start going through the KYC verification. Just go to the header profile and then verification, and you will have to verify yourself those three things: email, ID, passport, and the address. And once everything is confirmed, you can continue setting up your account. For example, we need to open up a trading account from which we can copy our trader. We have to open up the account with this kind of setup. We need a live trading account. We need Metatrader 4 as our trading platform. We need Metatrader 4 Pro as our model. Change the currency to euro and the leverage to 1 to 1,000. Choose your own password. You will need this password to deposit and withdraw. And again, optional, type in affiliate code RGZF to support me and the channel. It really helps out. Thank you very much. Once you open up your broker account on RoboForex, verified yourself and open up the trading account, now you can continue starting to deposit some money. Just go to funds and deposit. You can choose between bank transfer, crypto, and credit card. So everybody should have something comfortable for them. Up top, choose your trading account to deposit the money. Do not use a bonus, so choose no bonus, and then the amount you want to deposit. Once this is done, you can start following the trader. There's also a link down below, which leads you right into the trader's page. On the trader's page, just search for the blue button, copy or sub. Once you're subbed, use proportional settings, click save, and done. You're good to go. Very important here is really to use proportional settings at a 1.0x ratio. Especially for beginners, do not play around with that stat. You will blow your account. In case you have everything set up to get this kind of layout, you need to download the mobile app Metatrader. You can log into this app by using your RoboForex login data. And here you really have a great overview about all open and closed positions. Obviously, when there are still positions open and you want to close them yourself, you can manually close positions at all times. So here we are back inside my trading account, and I'm looking for the history, my trading history from this week. So Monday to Wednesday, from 6th of February to today. 3 trading days. We can see we made 24 orders, or we copied 24 orders in those days. Right here it shows our profits of the individual trades, and we see not every single trade is profit. Okay, we have a minus trade right here, we have another negative trade here, and here we also lost money. But in the end, out of all 24 orders in the last 3 days, we made $25.35. Our account had $580 on the weekend. So let's put up the calculator real quick. We made $25.35, had $580 on our account. So we already made in just 3 days 4.37% in profit in 3 days. Again, absolutely amazing results. And just to give you a quick update, in case you sub to the trader, here's the sub button. Obviously for me it says unsubscribe, for you it would say subscribe, and use trades copy mode proportional. Very important at a 1.0 rating. Again, please keep in mind, even though we already made 4.37% in those 3 days, this week's past results are no indicator for the future. We are copy trading with high leverage and high risks to make a big amount of profit. Our goal is to make 1% every single day from Monday to Friday. There are big risks involved. At the same time, I'm not a financial advisor and none of this is financial advice. Please make your own investment decision and only invest risk capital, which will not hurt you in your everyday life if you lose it all. The max drawdown in the last 1.5 years was minus 53%. We're up over 1,000%. But again, minus 53% drawdown is huge. There are risks involved. Just keep that in mind. But real quick, if the setup in the presentation was too fast, after you signed up to RoboForex, you want to verify yourself. Just go to Profile and Verification. Right here on the verification page, just load up your documents and get verified. After that, you can open up your trading account. Go to Accounts, Real account, so trading account real, trading platform Metatrader 4, account type Metatrader 4 Pro, currency change this to euro, leverage 1 to 1000, choose your own password and confirm your password, affiliate code RGZF, click confirm and you opened up your trading account. The trading account should look a little bit like this. Your trading account ID with Pro at the end and Metatrader 4 standard and ECN. After that, you would have a balance of $0. Choose your account and go to funds and deposit funds. Then right here, use your preferred method, crypto or bank transfer, and you're good to go. Once you have money on your account, let's say we have the $605 on our account, we can click on the link for the trader. Again, it's in the description below, but for the link to work, you need to already have an account and be logged in. So it transfers you right to the trading page. So you land on the trader page right here, you scroll down, click subscribe, proportional, save, and you're good to go. After that, go to your App Store or Google Play Store, download Mobile Trader, log into your account, and you get a very great overview about everything. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, get in touch with me, and until then, happy profits. Bye bye.